Hey everybody, Jamie at MASC. Welcome to another MASC Minute. So today I wanted to show you a fragrance from one of our brands called Carner Barcelona. It's a fragrance line out of Spain. This particular one is called Figman as part of their Mediterranean collection. So this particular one, I would say that the main notes are figs, go figure. But it does have some other neat notes going on, things like some bergamot, patchouli, marine accord, even some tonka beans. So it's pretty complex, as are all the fragrances. If you want like a nice modern interpretation of old world European scents, then I definitely recommend Carner in general. But Figman in particular I like. It's a nice fresh summer scent, definitely something I like to use myself every now and then. So yeah, if you're looking for a new summer scent, Figman from Carner Barcelona, check it out, shopmas.com, and come give it a whiff in the store in Vancouver if you're here. Thanks for listening.